It's been 30 days of making content around making money and trying to motivate you guys to make sure that you guys are on the right path to making a lot of money for yourself. And I just want to make this video to let you know, guys, I appreciate the support. Thank you for all of you that shared the content so far. And I don't know, I'm just short of words because this is what I preach. I usually talk about repetition so that I can get better. And I'm just literally explaining all these things to make sure that you are better. I don't even know if that makes sense. But thank you so much for the support. Someone just calling me. But thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for being there all through. And I hope you guys had content. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you don't watch the videos, just make sure you watch them over and over again. And I'm telling you, your life is gonna change. So see you guys soon. Keep watching the other videos in the YouTube channel. And I'm telling you for a fact that I'll be here to keep on giving you guys content. Stay safe and be good.